Me hu me dofo. See baby. And they me a telenovela no ha. And na see se a obeye show no ankasa. What ya see? Obaya ankasa. Antene hu ase. By the time we be na just say, see baby. Come on. Yeah. You too.
Afishapa.
Afisa say na nkwani ahoden wo ho.
Amen.
Ye nyina yeti ase.
Amen.
Na ho fe no gusu na koso. Na je say mama kunku wadaro.
Asemo.
Ti goyi. Daddy amame.
Oh,
ma ko papa bi.
Oh, ho ayefe do.
Me da se oba. So ho ayefe.
Misuesion.
Ho ayefe.
Me da se.
See abeya ese me engaging near put me adwum ansa because say sister Sandy sister Sandy le gina ha almost say ya
who was that
Sandy knew her me de me nsa so o me ni masa
e was sa
oh enya say me
we a big sister
de enya ne sa no credit e ba ko asa de me sa na mumu de no me de yi I can do abesi Pentecost do anti de eja say gospel say
asaba na oh okay me that
now be kwan so to say
hey kwan so afi na traffic ni no
na de ye ho
but me sure say bedu ewie say there so bia ofie
omo boabo omo ho
endura traffic ni de fia jai fiti Monday me need sense my for be
go mo kasa wo kasa endura because Monday ni nyina even
between traffic move 4 hours yes like it's just crazy but I don't know who say Ghana you need family
what you say
and at Christmas yes cuz obi e ko dija abeye eduane eduane be na
no big na sao eneno bronya na eduane mpesa me ye mo mudie
jollof
Debbie
dey
me mo banku ni nkruma
wole
kakra wom
na onya jollof ni chicken ni salad
jollof ni salad Debbie this time me mo banku
we dey bronya benku
another color was
okay
me do for your more official po
I think I think so we get to be able
me now free here no pay
it's free every conclusion
yo adaroma yenti o che nipa me ensa na fe o headline
yo na afisia kwa ma mba ta Laurentia ko buache
okay
na di chumu an ma ya any entire family nyina abisa fu nyina wa bi conclusion cry ya go che nyina adwa sananua fa buache abodie na adentin abode be sesa ni dey see wo de bia frey ye nti na abode 1000 wo dey
say bronya bre ya with Jesus
no abode we bad hello hey nti na ya with Jesus ade a wo ye ni
na ofa
ubetimi afre 0302 211 na onso do headline aba na fi wachia enipa miensa ani also chia nipa birthday na ko say 75th birthday
nyame
no kwa na
da bi obeko next
ne on fi de me take ma be
ye de beba
papa 75
ye de beba oh yes nyame aye bi efi
why the dream see any reverend kasa reverend abenti ene nkasa
hello reverend
yes madam
afishapa
afem committee
okay enti we shilipa miensa
oh me wish me so many Apostle James Ache afishiapa adwumaso anyame afa no so aye ese nyame nhira no bebi nyame nyane kasi onko so nyane kasi nkozite obeye kasi pa
amen na sorry ni say one can sorry no
I saw it the Lamb Glory Ministry Obuase
Obuase for
wow
okay
and I'm saying we say me ma me so water kwa dompim and so me we say no afia papa say nyame nko so manem kwa na enwo
amen
and if ni aka no ye me yere dana yade nyame nhira no bi wo adwempa ade bi amanu
amen
me me ka to aso no say me pese kana po nyina nya za Anybody wants to 24 for Quantu, I tell to. And 24 from the Ankabayanka, Yantity are continuous because Obia Peso to coin. And then I go goes to the traffic baby ban.
Yeah.
It is a boy and go be a young term and I say, £10 £24. Bank over to me, I could be done out over because I don't know what. I'm just facing him.
Okay. Reverend, amen. Amen. I'm sure so.
If you are one okay, 24th.
But who say, Yana, if you are home, maybe I'm crano or Mama Quine, a Juma Unya break.
A lot of a Juma break on 24th.
Yeah, like even 22nd, 23rd, oh baby. See, a honor there, they are pressure no. A baby,
you will be, I say 24th, go Kurum. Why would you leave the any of brown? Who over top of the bag, and I would do when you have boom. Over quay crass it, I walk with the broom. Catch your crumb, get your baby. I don't pay yet, MC and your Felicity. So, Felicity, I don't pay your official po.
Nyamishra mopa na mo
ya huye na ohwe free here no pay
ifle mo free kumase kwada sushimase.
Okay, what do much any pa me ense na fa wo so wo headline bra
no pe me fa kwanya so chia me mame o watepa twebidi ifle ni Cecilia na mine eni medjuma yefo mission of charity ejumaifu nyina mechia wo mu ene me ya me ba kwabna jesi anana jesi wo ko oron so mechia no ne mebusiafo mi nua mele ama mo mechia obibia ya ne wonhira nyina no mo ye ho ban amen after o ma nkwani ahode mayen amen ene ma dofu mu nyina
amen
ma ba
bye that's it ntia no
wow
ya 24 for na wi obi nka say wa obi wakasa na abeko
if you anyum ne ba ya che
oh ba ya cho na sasa anyum we entwamo because nyame edum ye 24th bia
so no yeah that's true
and na 24th no wa mo date say bia 24th e bia 2025 and 2020
December
24th bia
ya kwa di bronya
e was say e baso
won say if you atete bronya no musi apata
yes
okay
we kai pa mama ko sabaso de
okay hello mama Kos.
Hello.
Hi darling, good morning.
Good morning.
Afisha pansoso.
Afem komatu ye nyina o.
Afi ma headline na wish nipa miensa.
Me fa cho. And my headline is say say di afeni. Omo ton ade ne se o. Omo susun guye. Omo susun nyoma ma kese akese. It's too much. Oh. It's omo susun guye pa.
Mo. Afechi nipa no.
Okay. Metia me papa ne me mame. Eja fori ne mambufa. Efe
Machige we be steady. Hey. My sister no hey.
Oh sir.
We didn't know. Hey, then know to be from us.
Be steady.
Oh, wow. My darling Doreen of Guatemala. Onyamisha Kosia. Anyo kese. Me das me dofo. Why I do? Hey, I don't know what's up. Bobo nu amudi e.
Na fo wa. Ora foria ma fo. And no mabusia fo njinda.
Na utia Obama.
Make a come back me.
Ya tablo bi su
na. Ya me ba ma.
Okay.
No ma te apostole to pa me no ja. Omo person mu ni ja. Oh yeah. Me now for antia man. O ena mi se o ja oni se. Omo afia for ya. Yeah,
that's Yemfausia now listen. Oh, what Yamisha. You are Beccasa, Yamisha. Now, Auntie Prophets Atara.
Aish.
And then you know, any increase. And I know, already kind of 15. kakra
no
increase or the akọ increase
na tara kwa ne dressing kwa 55 million
bacho don't go there
hey asembe nkwe
what egu mangasa pressure go eno no dressing manya me hu se bo wo no
we no ne ho
eno no nyame nipa nyame onhyew bebre maye si e kan ye chese wo hwese de me director Sarah ne kan ye ne ha watia papa ni team nyina abasa no a eyodo so obi nnowo a onyesa the prophet yeda sepa nyame hirawo anti anopa dia ye odia anyomtofo eba bia ye no wa na band ni din de se wadaroma
Grace Band
Grace
International Band
yeah nyame hirawo mo bantem so si baby
me hu ye
on bantem sete apokra nti on ba say one
and someone now
wow nyame hira mo papa and na ya wo yesu bibia ehinta na de madane
ye beji ebo
mo ba wo mu nhira
amen
musika mu yiedie mo nkoso nkwatenten apomuden pa na mo ba wo nyame hira mo ti prophet I ready na ya ba pass ye betie wu promotion increase increase. What the Lord has done for me has increased. Oh, hey, what the Lord has done.
Increase there.
What if you started?
If you are planning more, only one grow crown. No, everybody is now. Ma, I have one year till for you na official package here pa. Na minimum say, you might be able to we na obia yensira, obia ayensira. Ewo Ghana ha. Se unkwa na ahwe afrobi na kacha ense ombra. Na Prophet Atara ni Grace Band ene ye ne mo ewa ha ne ntima kunkum ena efiamankwa atamako ewade nsiro bibia esi obibia yi wo Yesu dim amen
from January to December. Yoni ma beduni, awe beneze. Yoni ma beduni, awe beneze. Ida wasi beneze. Ida wasi beneze. Ida wasi. What to me, Mono? Me crew, and your babu so me down was it. Yami, what my many went was you. And when my tongue when it. What to me, Mono? Me crew, and your babu so me down was it. He down was it, Venezia. Me down was it. He down was it, Venezia. Me down was it. Come on! Afia mami Your tabu mami yenina. Ejawa mami saka. Why you if you take him? Now I say many monya. I my yumini. I take my sida yumini. Me not see yumini. Me na me my yumini. Me da was. Come on. Me da was Ebenezer. Me da was. Me da was Ebenezer. Me da was. was a man, I'm my minute. I just been asking you, be better, you minute. My come on, get that was here, Vanessa. Oh, it was here, Vanessa. He was a man. If you say Yamia, when Yamia, come on. Unyakupo, Wayadi Kasi, Amanda Sama, Nikasi, and Nunisa, Otias want to be a man. Area. Unyakupo, Wayadi Kasi, Amanda Sama, Adikasi, Wayanda Nosa, I know this, I know the yes, what to be. I'm a young man. Any area, if it's a Bunami or don't fool. Why, back to me, oh, you're too fool. Bunami, you don't fool. Why, back to me, oh, you're too fool. Bunami, you don't fool. Why, back to me, oh, you're too fool. Yeah, why, back to me, oh, you're too fool. Yeah. What's the media? Magana for the office. Come on, when you coupon, when you Kasi, Amanda Sama, Adikasi, and Nunisa, I'm not yet obvious to Antonia. Am I when you coupon, when you Kasi, Amanda Sama. Come on, Adikasi, why you don't know, sir? I'm not yet obvious to Antonia. Am I oh, if it's a Bunami or no fool. Oh, Baba, to me, oh, you're too fool. Bunami or no fool. Baba, to me, oh, you're no fool. And what to do for me, I Itina Yesu dimo. Aya dinina. Efisa osamete. Akweni na remwe. Itina Yesu dimo. Aya dinina. Efisa osamete. Akweni na remwe. Come on.
Is different.
Too bad.
Wow. Wow. Where and Ketwa? Where the beer no crowd? Wow. Prophet Atara. One Grace Band International.
Yeah.
25th. Oh, we okra. Who fear ya sebi. Na sakra exercise.
Yeah.
Is a unim a yaria ya progu kra. Nti sebi. Ya jenkrato ki tuwe yenche. Si baby wa. Yeah, but see a channel. We and Kitu, and Umponio. Eh, Nana, you know, of everything. What Tonium the anti say, yeah, Quaba. Quaba.